Hello friends and welcome to this online course Master in GST. In this course, we are going to understand the law in a logical sequential order. We will try to find out answers for some basic questions like, on what this GST is applicable, where this GST is applicable, by whom it is payable, on how much it is payable, and when it is payable. So, if you find the answers to all these questions, basically, you will know everything about GST. So what the Act says about on what GST is payable. GST is payable on supply of goods or services, or both. So we will understand in detail what is meant by supply. What is the meaning of word goods and services in our studies? The second question that we're going to address is where this tax is payable, or where the transactions in the respect of which tax is payable takes place. So it says it is a place of supply. So depending upon whatever is the place of supply, the nature of GST, whether it is a IGST or SGST or CGST, will be decided. So what all is covered under the meaning of this place of supply that we have to understand. The next, by whom. This supply is made by whom this GST is payable, and by whom registration under GST is required. All that well to understand and learn. Next important question is, how much? So GST is payable on value of supply. So we will understand what are the rules for valuation of supply and related rules for input tax credit. And last but not the least, when this tax is payable. And for that, the terminology in Act is time of supply. So whether the tax is payable at a time of supply of goods, at a time of receipt of consideration, etc., that all we have to understand in detail. Apart from this, there are some procedural aspects like registrations, invoicing, returns, exports procedures, job work procedures, assessment, under the GST. All this, we have to cover during our study. So, let us begin our journey of becoming master in GST.